Hey my dear friend, this video I am going to show you enable floating notification on your Android phone. If you are new here to my channel, please like this video, also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, take your phone, go to settings. In the main settings page, scroll down slowly. You can find the notification of similar name, tap to open them. After that, scroll down again. This time look for the advanced settings option, tap to open the page. After that, scroll through the menu, located the floating notification option. Simply tap on it to open. Here you can basically see three options: off, bubble, smart pop-up. If you want to decide to turn on the floating notification, you can select bubble option or smart pop-up option if you like, but not be select off option. If you select off option, this means this is turn off the option. That's it. How you can easily done to enable floating notification on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.